across the pond here. Guess what I'm doing? Well, this is the final week of the Losers Challenge. I haven't done my weigh-in, but I'll do that in a minute. I just wanted to say how great the challenge has been. I don't usually do weigh-ins every week, and that's the part I didn't like, is doing the weigh-ins every week, because I don't like the 1.5 this and the 1.2 that, and I don't like the weigh-ins every week. I've got so far to go that I like to do weigh-ins not even closer to 2 weeks or even a month apart, because I like the bigger numbers. So I'll see you later. Another good thing about the challenge is that I've made new friends. So I really appreciate all the work you've done, Trilly Jess, in putting the challenge together and giving the gifts and keeping up with all the numbers and all that. So thanks, Trilly Jess, and thanks to my new friends. See you around YouTube. Bye. Going to a holiday dinner is eat before you go. I would eat a big piece of fruit, or take some vegetables, a vegetable tray with you, or eat a little piece of cheese or something, so you're not hungry, so you're not just starving when you're there. And drink lots of water. Hi, Jess. Here's my tip: is I take reduced calorie Welch's grape, cran grape, or cran apple, or some kind of dark red reduced calorie juice with me when I go to a family gathering or a party, so I can still, at dinner, I can still have that pretty wine glass with something dark and red in it, but it has a whole lot less calories in it. And I can also be the designated driver. Thanks, Jess.